In this video, I'm going to show you how to make good money while working from anywhere in the world. Hey everyone, this is Jackie from Share Reviews, and if you follow my channel, you know that I try to bring you products or offers that allow you to work from home or anywhere in the world. Today, I am really excited to show you how you can make good money while doing just that. Now, it's no secret, the internet has opened up a lot of opportunities for people who want to work remotely. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of more of those opportunities. So whether you're looking for a new career or you just want some extra income, stay tuned because I'm about to reveal some more amazing secrets. As always, this is where we take a pause for the cause, and we ask that you hit that like button and the subscribe button. Now that helps YouTube's algorithm to understand that you do find value in the content that I bring you on this channel. So I appreciate it when you do that, and I thank you very much. Now, I'm going to take just a minute and I'm going to preface this information I'm about to give you because I don't want to waste your time. On this first offer that I'm going to provide you information about, if you don't like dealing with apps on your phone, your tablet, or your laptop, then this video is not for you. Or at least this offer is not for you. And if you aren't ready to take action, it isn't for you. Because there are only just a few positions available for each of these, and they're not going to last very long. Now, there's a chance that they will open up more positions later on, so if you're interested, then you might want to jump on it quickly and at the very least get your name on the list. And last but not least, you must be able to write and speak fluently in English. Currently, they need more app reviewers from the United States, but they will accept people from other countries as well, as long as your language skills are up to par. So, first up, do you like watching movies? And do you like making money? Now, I'm pretty positive that you answered yes to both of those questions, and if you didn't, what is wrong with you? No, I'm just kidding with you. Some people really don't like watching movies, so I do get it. But if you do, then listen closely. I want you to stop watching movies right now. Yes, stop watching them. Because there is a way to watch movies on streaming platforms and get paid to do it. You can earn $800, $850 a week watching movies on streaming platforms like Netflix. So, as you probably know, platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime, well, they're growing and dominating the entertainment industry. Now, some of these app companies have hopped on the bandwagon and they've launched these brand new streaming platforms to compete with these big guys. And now they want to test the performance of their apps, and that's where you come in. They're hiring ordinary people, just like you and me, from the United States to work as app testers. They're actually hiring from all over the world, but they do prefer United States at this point. Your job is to download those apps, watch one or two movies, and then just write a review describing your experience while you use those apps. It's pretty simple. Now, no one expects you to be Mark Twain or Hemingway. Just write up a basic review stating what you liked, what you didn't like, any issues you had, etc. Now, if you're a bad speller or your grammar stinks, you can run your review through Grammarly. Now, I'm going to leave a link to the free version of Grammarly in the description below, so no excuses for you not to use it. It's free, pretty people, free. As a recap, you must be able to speak and write fluent English. You must be able to download apps to either a smartphone, a tablet, or a laptop, and you must have a decent internet connection. It also helps if you love movies, but it's not a requirement. So all of you movie watchers, check out the link in the description below and get started making money while watching movies. So I have several of these opportunities that I want to discuss with you. But out of respect for your time, I always try to keep my videos under 10 minutes. So I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to make another video about some of the others. So have you heard about Snapchat? Do you even know what Snapchat is? I'm going to assume that most of you have at least heard of it, but just in case you haven't, I'll break it down for you. It's kind of like a chatting app where you can share pictures and videos and you can apply these funny filters to them. It's pretty simple to use and it's a lot of fun. But what if I told you that someone wanted to pay you up to $800 a week for using it? Yep, it's true. Some of these app developers have launched some exciting, messaging apps that are similar to Snapchat. And to compete with these huge markets, their apps have to be perfect. And that's why they're hiring ordinary people, just like you and me, to test and review their apps. And they're more than happy to pay you up to $800 a week for simple work. Now, the job is the same as the movie app. You have to download the apps, you have to use and test them, and then you sign into their system and post a 200 to 300 word review. Now, that review can be about maybe some bugs or some errors that you encountered while you were using it, or maybe the great things that you loved about it. And I don't want you to let the word count throw you off, because 200 words is basically just 3 paragraphs. Since I started telling you about Snapchat until now, I counted 224 words. So it's really not that much. Now again, no one expects you to win a journalism prize. Just write a basic review. And don't forget that I added that link to the free Grammarly program in the description below to help you with your spelling and your grammar mistakes. And it is free. This opportunity, though, is about ready to close. So you're going to want to hop on this one quickly. Now, they are looking for more reviewers from the United States. But again, all countries would be accepted as long as your English skills are up to par. Now, I'm not sure when it will open up again, but I think the chances would be good as more of these apps are developed. So even if you miss the deadline, you're going to want to get on that list. And as a recap, you must be able to speak and write fluent English. You must be able to download your apps either to a smartphone, a tablet, or a laptop, and you must have a decent internet connection. Now, this one sounds like a lot of fun because Snapchat is really fun to use. And I'm going to leave that link in the description below and you can check it out. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button for me, please. And I want to thank you for watching today. I really enjoy making these videos for you, and I hope that you do get some good information from them. And as always, we want to help you find financial freedom, and we always encourage you to keep dreaming bigger.